Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a radiator on a Nissan Altima. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies, like a new radiator, coolant, and a drain pan. Always make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Let's get started with the next steps. Now that you're prepared, it's time to drain the old coolant. Position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the radiator's drain plug. Carefully open the drain plug and let all the old coolant flow out completely. Once drained, you'll need to disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Be ready for any residual drips. Next, we'll move on to removing the fan shroud and other connections. With the coolant drained and hoses disconnected, you can now remove the fan shroud. Unbolt any mounting brackets or clips holding the radiator in place. Gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Now, carefully lower your new radiator into the exact same position. Secure it firmly with all the mounting bolts and reattach the fan shroud. We're almost there. Finally, reconnect all the radiator hoses and secure them with their clamps. Don't forget to reattach the negative battery terminal. Now, slowly fill your new radiator with the appropriate coolant mixture. After filling, you'll need to bleed the cooling system to remove any trapped air pockets, which is crucial for proper operation. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Start the engine, let it warm up, and check for any leaks. Congratulations, you've replaced your radiator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.